Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am in the bathroom, clearly, and I have this, the coolest looking hair dryer I've ever seen, and it's upside down. It's the Ionic hair dryer by LettreQ, L-E-T-T-R-E-Q. You don't have to remember the name because I'm gonna put a link to it. And also, if you buy it quickly, I think I got a coupon for you guys too, because this is really cool. This is 1,400 watts, so this has got more power than my microwave. It has more power than my toaster oven. So this is gonna be a awesome hair dryer. It's gotta be powerful, and hopefully it's gonna be really cool. I'm excited to get this one. I don't use it for me, but my girlfriend does, and other people use hair dryers as well. I wish I had them here to try it out. Maybe I'll scream for them during this video and they can give this a try. Oh! And there we go.
Hey, Neil. Oh, that looks like an awesome hair dryer.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to help me out. Oh, look at this. Okay, so check this out.
This is a fancy box.
It comes with its own case.
What? Okay, hold on. Hold on.
What in the world?
Wait a minute. I might need to use this. Let me see this.
Yeah, okay, there you go. You can open it. She's gonna do our unboxing for us this time.
Ooh, jeez, this is fancy. Okay,
wow.
I use this all the time on my hair because it's curly. So this is like a diffuser.
Oh, I'm guessing this is a stand.
Yeah.
And then the plug. Oh.
Hold on, I want to do it. And this is like the hair dryer portion of it. It's like really fancy.
Pretty.
And then here's another head.
Plug.
I think we're gonna use.
Oh, here this plug's
We're
got
probably
the
gonna use the diffuser to try it out.
safety stuff on it. Uh-oh, hopefully I'll be able to plug this in without blocking the camera. Yeah, good.
Okay, so you ready, guys? Hold on.
Let's see, do we have to hit the reset button? Oh, there's the reset. So what do you think? How's it blow? There's the blow. So you think you'd like that one?
I actually did this one.
That's pretty cool.
Really good. Let's see. There's also different buttons.
I think that's like different coldness and stuff. Let's see what it says in the instructions here. So it comes with a bag too, so if you don't want to use the case, you use the bag. Nice velvet little bag. And here's the information about it. Yeah, that's got some good air flow to it.
So yeah, this is like a really good.
And here's the instructions. Let me hold this up a little bit here
hair
so
dryer.
you can see how it works.
It's a pretty good hair dryer. I actually like it.
Oh, I guess this would go on the wall. See, check this out. So you can hang this on the wall, and then this hangs on it. And I guess the wire
and it's sticky too.
Hangs on it or something too. Yeah. So that's what the sticky stuff is for. Pretty cool. If you want to hang it on the wall, and then it's got this.
I'm disappearing now, guys.
Remember it magnetizes on. How cool is that?
Yeah, just remember to subscribe to his channel. And
oh man, that's got a lot of power. Whoa, that's got a lot of power. You can probably use this to blow up pool toys. How do I turn it off? Oh, you hold it down. So there we go. So that's what this one is. This is the LettreQ. I'm gonna make this one here. It looks like it turns, makes it, whatever. It's cool. Oh, there it opens up. Oh, it's filtered air. Oh, wow. So it filters the air going in. That's pretty cool. So when you get too much goop buildup in it, you just go like this and clean it off. Man, this thing's got it all. This is really nice. Okay, so that's why you spend the big bucks sometimes to get the good hair dryers. So looking forward to this one here. I'm sure people will like this, and you can magnetize on the different tips. Pretty cool. I like it. So thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Definitely, this one's cool. Look at all the buttons and stuff on there. That's cool. Very nice.